Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and of course you are viewing the How To Lady. So today I'm going to lean a little bit away from the holiday festive centerpieces, and we're going to talk about something that's related to that. So you know how if you're like me, you have your space where you do all of your little DIYs and your life hacks. You have a little space where you might be doing those things. So for the most part, I've been doing a lot of my holiday centerpieces and DIYs right here on this counter. And there's not been a problem with that. It's just that it can get messy from time to time, and I find myself constantly getting up and down, going to the trash or reaching over, trying to put something in the trash. And sometimes I don't want to do that. So I'm going to give you a little ideas to what you can do to prevent all of that. So are you ready? All right, if you are, stay tuned. We're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. As stated in the introduction, we are going to give you a small suggestion on how you can avoid all those problems with little pieces of trash here and there while you're working on your DIY projects. So many of us, I'm a planter, I love plants, and on my channel, you can look under playlist that says videos related to plant and household plant care. So check it out. But I love plants, and I always get these little containers that when I'm transferring my plants to a more robust container, the nursery container, you can keep this and use it for a small trash bin. So I'm going to show you how you can kind of make it a little cute. You'll need this little container. It's plastic. It's not very heavy duty, but it'll get the job done. So you'll need this, and you will need some puffy paint if you like to decorate it, puffy paint. And then I like to put inside of mine a plastic bag. So this is just a miniature plastic bag from where I was shopping and I had it left over. So we're gonna see how it works inside. All right, so we're gonna start out with putting something or some type of decoration on the container. Ooh, it's turning out nicely. And I'm just taking my puffy paint and just going around it, making the design that I want. I wish you could see it, but it's really hard for me to do it and show it to you at the same time, unless I had someone to videotape me over my shoulder, but we don't. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. I think I got it. All right, I'll show it to you. We're gonna let it dry, and once it dries, we're going to insert our plastic bag because this container has holes in it. The nursery containers that you get from the store with the plants, they typically have holes in it in order to drain water from the plants. So you definitely will need a plastic bag or some sort of bag to keep whatever you put inside of this from falling out. So, but I think it's gonna be great. All right, I'll be back with you once it's dry. All right, our design is nice and dry, and it says mini trash. And this is going to go on the countertop when I'm ready to discard something. It could be a piece of paper, it could be tape or whatever, but it'll be in close proximity, and that way I don't have to get up to get to the big trash can. I won't have to worry about bending down to find the trash can on the floor. You know, it's right there. You just finish doing what you're doing and you put it in the trash. So we're gonna go ahead and put the plastic bag inside. there we have it. That fits perfectly. Yes. So whenever I'm working on a project, guess what? I have the perfect trash can to sit right on the countertop and discard anything that I don't need. So there you go. Try it. Hack, DIY, I love them. Cost free, $0. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.